today. Today, we're gonna make a homemade cloth mask. But before, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video. So, are you ready, friends? Let's make it together! This is the materials we need. You can use used hijab, used t-shirts, or another used clothes to make the mask. Thread and needle, rope or rubber, scissor, plate or ruler. First, use the plate to make the circle on the cloth. Why we use the plate? Because we're going to make a circle which is 20 to 25 centimeters in diameters. Then, fold the circle into 4 parts. And cut in the folds. So it becomes 4 parts, and pair them. Then sew on the curved side. Don't forget to ask an adult help when sewing the cloth. After that, unite these 2 pieces of cloth. And sew all the edges. But don't sew a little part on the tip. Then turn back the cloth. Iron the cloth. Take the rope, insert on the tip. Then fold 2 times and sew it. Do it the same on another tip. Voila! 2-layer cloth mask. Masker kain 2 lapis sudah jadi. Oke friends, semoga videonya bermanfaat dan kalian bisa buat DIY masker juga. Thank you and see you in the next video.